The next thing is the important plugin hits here, which is email and SMS OTP based voting. Let's suppress this one. We will have this one. You have to enable this and you have to choose which one you want. If you want email based only, or you want mobile SMS based voting, or if you want both types of OTP voting, you can just switch to this. I have done already this one. Let's create a form and click on this one. I will use a person's name to collect data. I will use a phone number. I will use email. I'll also go for the address. I'll also ask them for the country name and then we'll submit it. Yeah, I'll ask them about you. So, these are the fields here. And at last, I will put a vote button. It's ready to move. Let's do this. After this form, we have to set up a few more things here. We have to just put some email content here. If you want to send OTP to the user, the code will be Epoll OTP. This will be the shortcode to enter. Shortcode to trigger OTP. To send OTP to email. Let's save it. After that, we have to go here and let's make it great. Earlier we had OTP-based voting on grid-based voting. Now we have voted the same option with less style voting. So now what we'll do, we will enable OTP-based voting. Let's do it once. We'll do this, move to the next one. Now you can see awesome UI is here. I'll see all these fields here. Let's type my name Rahul, mobile number, and country name. And I can put the email address here. My address is somewhere in India. I'll submit this data. Now I will get an OTP to my email address. Because we have opted for email OTP. Let's get the email OTP. Here, my OTP code is 6324. Let's submit it. You can see I have voted. Now you'll see the result on the dashboard. Let's go to this. Who will be the PM? I have voted for this candidate. So, here are my data here. What I can do, I can export it to Excel, export it to PDF, and export it to JSON too. I can also delete this entry from here. And use these date filters to filter votes by date. I can also switch to the next candidates from here. So this is all about reporting in the back end. I can also get a report, Excel report on this, so that I can share this with my organization and make it to the public.